In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share an email account in Pipedrive CRM. Whether you're collaborating with a team or simply need to streamline communication, sharing your email account in Pipedrive can be a real game changer. So, let's dive right in and get started. First, we'll begin by navigating to the Pipedrive website. Open up your preferred web browser and head over to Pipedrive's main page. If you're not already familiar, Pipedrive is a powerful CRM software that helps manage sales and pipeline processes, making it easier for you and your team to stay organized. Now that we're on the Pipedrive main page, you'll want to log in to your account. Click on the Login button, usually located at the top right corner of the page. This will prompt you to enter your credentials, your username and password, to gain access to your dashboard. If you're new to Pipedrive, ensure that you've set up an account and can log in smoothly. Once you've successfully logged in, it's time to head over to your Pipedrive home. The home section will generally be your starting point, where you get a quick glance at your sales activities, tasks, and recent deals. Familiarize yourself with the layout to make the most of what Pipedrive has to offer. With the home page in view, direct your attention to your profile settings. Click on your profile icon, which should usually be available at the top right part of the screen. This area allows you to manage personal settings, and it's where you can tweak the functionalities of your account. Next, let's dive into your personal preferences. Within your profile settings, locate the section titled Personal Preferences. Here you can customize various account settings that cater to your specific working style and preferences. As you explore these settings, find the option for email sync. Clicking on this will guide you to the email synchronization settings where you can configure all email-related preferences. This ability to sync your email is crucial for maintaining streamlined communication directly through Pipedrive. Once inside the email sync settings, focus on the default email visibility option. This determines how your emails will be seen and managed within the system. It's essential to understand this setting, as it significantly impacts how your emails are shared with other team members. Finally, navigate to the Shared setting. Choosing this will ensure that your emails are accessible to authorized team members, fostering collaboration and ensuring everyone stays in the loop. And there you have it. You've successfully set up shared email access within Pipedrive CRM. This setup helps foster collaboration and keeps your team synchronized. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Be sure to check out other Pipedrive tips and tricks in our upcoming videos.